News 46 is brought to you by J.K. Nelson Law. Call 727-9900 today for your free consultation. If you need a lawyer, you need Nelson.
Tonight on News 46, behind the scenes of Nye County Dispatch.
Hundreds enjoy fresh crab at a weekend fundraiser.
And Java Junkies receives a special donation. News 46 starts now.
You're watching KPVM News 46 with Deanna O'Donnell and Eunette Gentry. News 46, local coverage you can count on.
Good evening. It's Tuesday, March 21st, 2017. I'm Deanna O'Donnell.
And I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.
911 dispatchers are often the unsung heroes when it comes to emergencies. Dispatchers provide an indispensable service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. KPVM TV honors those in anticipation of National Public Safety Telecommunications Week, which is April 9th through the 15th. News 46 spoke to the supervisor of the Nye County Sheriff's Office Dispatch Center, Ashley Castillo.
In an emergency, we rely on first responders to come and help in our time of need. But there's an important part of the process that is often overlooked. When you dial 911, the Nye County Sheriff's Office Dispatch will be on the other end of the line, ready to send help. Ashley Castillo has been a dispatcher with the Nye County Sheriff's Office for 11 years, and by now she's seen about everything. But regardless of the call, her and her team stay calm and get the information needed to provide assistance to the public.
We just stay as professional as we can. We handle all different types of personalities, hysterical people. We handle people that are going through the worst day of their life, often. Yeah. So, I mean, we just handle them the best that we can. We stay as professional as we can. We handle it with empathy, and we just get them through it.
The dispatchers deal with every kind of call imaginable, and sometimes they hit close to home. There are times when calls come in regarding their own families, but Ashley told us when that does happen, it's no time to panic.
It's actually really easy to maintain composure because my main goal is to get help. So when we're training people, we tell them we want them to think about it as if they're getting help to their own mother. So when you handle calls involving your family or even officers, it's actually quite strange because you're emotional inside, but you get through all the motions quickly because you want to get them help, because who's going to do it better than you?
The Nye County Sheriff's Office Dispatch is based in Pahrump, but they serve all of Nye County.
We've consolidated our dispatch, so that way the entire county gets equal service. So all the centers have been consolidated to Pahrump, but we dispatch for, like I said, the entire county. As to expansion, I'm not sure if we're going to expand at all or, get any new positions or anything like that in the near future. But we are always training.
To become a dispatcher, you must complete a course that focuses on preparing you for everything you will deal with on the job.
We have a 16-week training program, and that can be extended if needed. So we do extensive training with each person.
You have reached the Nye County Sheriff's Office. If this is an emergency, press 1.
Nye County Sheriff's Office, Ashley.
The 6th annual court-appointed Special Advocates Crab Fest was once again held at the Nye Communities Coalition. We spoke to Willie Bear to get all those details.
6th annual Crab Fest, very excited, another full house, sold out. We love it when that happens. Lots of prizes, lots of good food.
You brought Laura Oslin down back there with Brian Coons.
We brought Laura down from Elko, and she said it was so easy this time. Now that she's not working here, she didn't have to work for the week. She could just concentrate on getting the food ready for the event tonight. Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about these crabs.
Crabs come, the Dungeness crabs, fresh, flown in last night from the Pacific Northwest, specifically Oregon. The crab gets better every year, and the fact that our participation, our attendance has grown from about 75 the first year to almost 200 in the 6th year is a great testament to that fact.
And I know Brian Coonsey goes and picks them up.
Brian Coonsey goes down and in his automobile or his truck or whatever and picks up all the crab and brings it in fresh. And the reason we have it at this venue, which is the Nye Activity Center at the Coalition, is because they have a big walk-in refrigerator. And no other venue in town has that, and we need to put the crab in it overnight.
You have a lot of baskets, don't you?
We have about 20 gift baskets for the pick a prize. We also have our famous crab net, which is a net hanging on the wall over there, and it has $1,000 worth of gift cards, and one winner will win the entire $1,000 worth of gift cards. So their Christmas shopping is done for the next couple of years.
Awesome. I see these new signs that say different agencies or organizations that support CASA.
These are our big sponsors. Valley Electric, as you know, always supports us. Gunny's Air Conditioning and Heating was the first sponsor that came in this year, so they're in the middle. We also have Desert View Hospital, Dickey's Barbecue, Plum Valley Auto Plaza, and of course James Oscarson. They always sponsor, so we're very grateful for that.
Tell everybody about CASA.
CASA stands for Court Appointed Special Advocates, and we are a national, in fact international agency now of volunteers who are trained and recruited, trained, and supervised to stand up for a child in foster care in court. And so they see that they get through the court system as painlessly as possible.
Well, White House Press Secretary Sean Spicer said it's possible President Donald Trump will seek more changes to the Republican health care bill before Thursday's House vote. In search of the votes needed to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act, Republican leadership in the House released a package of amendments last night meant to mollify critics of the plan. Spicer said those changes could not be the last made on the bill.
And after this break, this week's court report.